Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Bit of a special video this week as we've just hit 1,000 subscribers. If you're new here, my name's Sarah. I post motorcycle related content on YouTube every Friday. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Check back next week for more new content. So yeah, last week hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, which is absolutely awesome. So if you caught my video a couple of weeks ago, you'll know that I'm running a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers, and you'll have to hang around to the end of the video for the draw and the announcement of who has won. On the same day that it hit 1,000 subscribers, it also hit 85,000 views of the content that's on the channel, which is absolutely astonishing to me. I started the channel a year ago as a new challenge and something new to learn how to do. So it's absolutely amazing that you guys want to subscribe to and continue to watch my content every week. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. It's absolutely awesome. You're all amazing people. And the good news is I've got lots and lots of exciting new content planned for this year, some of which is already filmed, an awful lot of it isn't. In a couple of weeks we're going glamping in Snowdonia in Wales with a small group of people, so the videos for that will be out on the channel in about a month's time. We're also planning quite a lot of camping trips this year, both locally and a little bit further afield. So if camping stuff is your bag, then we'll be doing plenty of that this year, hopefully. The weather hasn't been great so far this year for that sort of stuff. We shall also be doing some long weekends away to interesting places in the UK, interesting historical landmarks and stuff. So I'm also doing more beginner videos too, so again, if that's your kind of thing, there'll be more of that coming very soon. I am also hoping to be able to get out and test ride some different bikes this year. I need to speak to a few people and see if I can do that, but I am hoping to get out and test ride a few of the bikes. Don't worry, the Blackbird's not going anywhere. I'm not selling it. It's just always good fun to have a ride on something different. There'll also be loads of ride out content, just randomly riding around, both locally and further afield. So yeah, lots of different content coming this year. Those of you who've been subscribing for a while will know that my content is varied and I do lots of different types of content. Talking ride out footage, here's a little bit of bonus footage from a couple of weeks ago when we went out exploring the Suffolk countryside and we took out the Buell and Bandit on a beautiful day in the middle of April. And then as soon as that footage is finished, I'll be back and we'll be doing the draw for the NOCO Smart Charger. So if you want to know who's won that, stick around. So before we do that draw for the NOCO Smart Charger, I just want to say a massive thank you to all my subscribers and to anyone who's watched my content over the last year. It's been an absolute pleasure making content for you, and like I said, I've got so much more cool stuff coming up this year. Make sure you stick around, keep coming back to the channel, and if you don't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, it all helps the channel grow and it helps me bring you more and more cool content. Alright, let's head off and do that draw for that NOCO Smart Charger. One lucky person's going to win that. Can't do it while I'm sat on the bike, so let's head into the office and we'll do that right now. Here we are, back in the office, so let's get on with the draw. I had a total of 34 entries that met the criteria that I set out in the original video describing the competition. I've put you all into a spreadsheet, randomised the list and given you all a number. So here we've got our 34 entries that match the criteria, and I'm going to use random.org's random number generator between 1 and 34 to see who's won. Number 14, Leanne Nash. Congratulations, Leanne. I'll make contact with you via YouTube and we'll arrange getting that NOCO Smart Charger to you. Sorry to those who didn't win this time around. We will be doing more giveaways in the future as the channel continues to grow. And on that note, that's the end of this video. Thanks very much for watching, guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. Check back next week for more new content. Until then, ride safe. I'll see you again really soon.